got our head here. We got this all done. I made a mistake. I had my hinge on wrong, so I had to redo my holes on the side. I had the hinge on the inside, and there's no way that if you have to go into the back to get into it, you couldn't get to these screws. So I had to move the hinge to the bottom. It was up here. So we got it here. So like I say, if you ever have to make repairs, you take these two screws out in the back of the head, take the back of the head off, you got to take the wig off, and then you can get in and unscrew the mouth if you need to, if you got to make repairs or anything like that. So now we can mount this. That is where I want it now. Just put that loosely for the moment to get the other side. So now we got that where it goes. Tighten it down. Like I say, we'll put a little glue in there so over time it doesn't loosen up and start turning on you, because then you'd have to get inside to make some repairs. Okay, so we got that. That's in. Now that piece will stay in, but you'll notice we can't open, the mouth won't open. So now that we got that, now we know where we have to make the adjustments down here. So we have to take this all back in here and take some of this out in here so we get some play on the mouth and the mouth will open and close. So what I'll do is I will take the mouth out. And we take it out by just so we just take this screw out here. Take that one out and this one out. And now we take the mouth on and off. So what we have to do is we got to take this off in here so we get the mouth to be able to open up how we want it to open and as wide as we want it to open. Now for this in here, if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Okay, so now we're going to put some glue on this edge here. Try to. If you got any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. So just put a little bit of glue in here, and I'll spread it out with my finger. Put some on the bottom. And this will just keep it from, if it ever comes loose, where you have it screwed, it won't turn on you. So we'll set this aside and let it dry real well, and then we'll come back. There we go. So what I'll do is I'll work on taking some of this out, and then we'll come back. Thanks for watching.